Hey guys, so I'm going to be adopting Midori Shamrock. Sorry this isn't a great Sony Vegas video like I usually have. My personal computer is being fixed because of how slow it is, so once I get it fixed, I'll be making more Sony Vegas videos for you guys. And this room's also a mess. We have a lot of cords. We need to get our Wi-Fi fixed. Anyway, here's the adoption. Okay, so here we go. Cutest little thing ever. Hi, I'm Midori Shamrock. I know we're going to be best buds. I'm smart, a whiz kid, and zany. I love riding my bike. I'm best friends with a brown dog. If it was my birthday, I'd love to eat ice pops and get a skateboard. Oh yeah. I want to start playing, duh. Woo! Woohoo! No congratulations of her name or anything. Whatever. Oh, I really love this Webkinz so much. That is one cute Webkinz. Okay. Gift box a time. Sorry, my parents are talking in the background. That's her gift. And here goes. Got a gas pump, pot of gold safe, and a bonus gift box. Nice, nice, nice. And let's open that bonus gift box. Here we go. A turquoise dining chair for my Aztec room. And now, let's put her in some clothes. There she is. She's gonna have a hat on. And yeah, I'll make a room later and blah. Thanks for watching me adopt Midori. She's best friends with Evergreen. You know who you are. Okay, thanks for watching.